Test natin itong Umarex G19 G5 MOS going to Samar. So metal slide, polymer yung frame with complete markings, Glock markings. Ayan. So licensed product siya ni Umarex or ni Glock. Ayan, officially licensed product ng Glock. So itong SRC din, dual power system din siya. Pwede siya sa CO2 magazine. So out of the box, may kasama na siyang plates for optic attachment. So test natin guys. 315, 309, 300. Price niya is 9,800. For more details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Babs Hobby Shop.